So what's the best format to make meaningful videos that your viewers want to watch? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, I'm Sarah Fusion One Marketing, and I'm here to give you a Fusion freebie on the best formula to create informative videos that will get views. So let's get right to it. Okay, number one, all of your videos should start with a hook. This is a bold or catchy statement that pulls the viewers in and want to keep watching. When I first started the video, I said this. So what's the best format to make meaningful videos that your viewers want to watch? Stay tuned to find out. That's your hook. You want to tease your audience on something that you're going to help solve later. Alrighty, number two, you want to make sure that you have a brief intro about yourself or your show. This is where you kind of introduce yourself and your guests, and you talk about what your show is all about. We have an ongoing series called Marketing Mix, and every week we start with the same statement, which is, welcome to Marketing Mix. Each week we're going to cover different marketing topics, tricks, trends, blah, blah, blah. Should be consistent and really the same intro message each time. Number three, the message of your video. This is where you want to talk about what you're going to solve. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 mistakes people are making on their websites and the 5 ways to fix them. This gives your viewers an overview of what they're about to watch. All right, number four, this is your main event or the main plot of your video. This is the part where you're going to be doing the solutions, walking through a process, providing the answers to the hook that you mentioned at the beginning. Okay, and you want to make sure that your main event is as simple as possible. Remember that the people that are watching your video don't necessarily understand the topic you're covering. So it's very important that you break it down and make it super easy to follow. And you really don't want to rush through this part either. Alrighty, number 5, and this is the last one, is your wrap up. Close out your video with a call to action statement. Like, if you need more information, you can find us here, or leave your questions in the comment section and let us know if this video helped you. And don't forget to include a segue to viewers on where they can watch more videos or more content. And as always, let people know where they can find you online and on social media. Okay, last but not least, I want to give you a little bonus. Provide little intro and outro video clips to your actual videos. You may have seen our intro video on our Biz Talk series. It's a brief 10-second intro at the beginning, and it's just another way to brand yourself and add more of a professional element to your videos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll be here every Wednesday to give you more Fusion freebies to help you step up your game in digital marketing. Until next time, bye.